today I'll be solving one of the difficult problems with people who wants to import pictures from their camera to their MacBook Pro. So I'm importing my pictures from Nikon to my MacBook. Usually, if you plug your camera to your MacBook, you're supposed to see display on your screen. So let's go back to desktop. Let me hide. So now my camera is plugged. You're supposed to see your camera display on your desktop. You're supposed to see it among these folders here. So from there you can easily copy it. But if you don't find your camera on your desktop, this is the second option on how you can copy your pictures from your DSLR cameras to your MacBook Pro. So the first thing you need to do, plug your camera and come to your Lightroom. Once you plug your camera to your Lightroom, you can see this is my camera. See from your up. I'm copying from Nikon Z6, so you can easily see all the pictures now. So guys, if like for example now, if you unclick this now, for example, if I click this, if you click this like this, look at it to appear at the top, click another one to appear at the top, click another one, just click here, it's like you are selecting the pictures. So once look at this particular picture, at the bottom just click import. See it now, my pictures have been imported to my workspace, which is my library, and from here you can export it. Look at it, export it to your location. You know, if you usually shoot on RAW, you can easily convert it from RAW to JPEG and do all your normal color balance and everything you need to do for your pictures to look better. So thank you for watching this video. Please, if you have not subscribed, do well subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, because I will be dropping more tips on how you can overcome some basic challenges on Photoshop. Thank you.